How to talk to girls. 1. Culture. You truly can't turn out badly discussing music, films, workmanship, and books. The discussion will go one of two different ways. Either she's seen her read it, or she hasn't. On the off chance that she has, you share something for all intents and purpose to discuss. In the event that she hasn't, you can acquaint her with something new. It's a success win for both of you. 2. Interests. An individual's interests are frequently a major piece of who they are as an individual. All things considered, it's the means by which they invest a great deal of their energy. Since side interests are exercises that individuals accomplish for entertainment only, the discussion is consequently going to be peppy and positive. You may even share interests practically speaking that you can do together, and if not, you can check out something new. 3. Your environment. Once in a while, you're going to need to ad-lib. Utilize your surroundings for motivation. The climate is a conspicuous point, yet it's excessively simple and sort of exhausting. Mention objective facts and pose her inquiries. You may find that getting a more top-to-bottom dialogue moving is simpler than you suspected. 4. Encounters, yours and hers. Discussing things you've done is an incredible method to become more acquainted with her, and it causes her to become acquainted with you as well. From past occupations to excursions, looking at intriguing things you've finished with your life so far causes both of you to decide whether you're in agreement. All things considered, your encounters shape you as an individual. 5. Objectives and yearnings. Your fantasies are the same amount of a piece of you as your encounters. Because you haven't accomplished something yet doesn't mean you're not molded by the idea of things to come. Get some information about her tentative arrangements, yet don't make it sound like a prospective employee meetup. You're attempting to become acquainted with her as an individual, not her capabilities for a vacant position. Strike the expression, "Where do you see yourself in 5 years?" from your jargon. 6. Family. Need an extraordinary subject that can nearly top off a whole discussion? There might be no preferred theme over family. Since simply like you both have your own remarkable interests, you both have a novel family ancestry, which gives you bounty to discuss. Yet additionally causes you to become familiar with a ton about what her identity is. So take the risk to ask how she coexists with kin or her folks, or how frequently she sees her family. What's more, remember to likewise discuss yours.